before doing anything, you want a Azure subscription for start learning it. So you have many options to use it. Either you can sign up into Azure as a free subscription, or you can go for paid subscription as well. So here is some kind of steps. You just need to go on azure.microsoft.com, where you can have a green button to start free trial. Just go there and sign up with your Microsoft credentials, maybe Outlook Live or any other Microsoft account. Just click on next for login, and after that follow the steps to have a subscription. Add your payment method and that will charge you, and basically it's free, so it will be automatically deduct $1 from your account, and it will gives you for 1 month subscription free of cost. So after that you have to go to portal.azure.com and you have to log in again with the same credentials that you use to create your subscription, and then you'll have a portal look like as this image. When you'll have this, now you can start learning or create Azure services. So just do the step and follow the other videos. Thanks. Let's start.